wheels pop. The door creaks. And I'm staring at the bird's beak.
What are you doing?
I'm writing a poem.
Is this for your Hinge date?
Yeah.
Let me read it.
No, man. Don't worry about it.
Seriously, let me read it. Come on.
This is my soul on paper here, dude. Like, if you read it before she does, that's bad luck.
I mean, like, I'll help you. It'll be better. I took a class in college on poetry.
Oh.
Yeah. Come on, it'll be good. Come on.
All
Hey,
right.
I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
Trying not to tweak. My body is so meek, but my heart is strong. The other guys talk about dong, but I don't want to do that. Did I read that right?
You said it beautifully.
Can you explain that a little bit to me? Because I'm a little lost. What other guys want to talk about dong? I mean,
Well, see, like, my heart is the big, strong thing in me, not the dong. So, like, I keep reading, and like, you'll get the vision.
Purple fuzz, green delight. Won't you be my wonderful woman tonight? This sounds like you want a fucking edible. Like, what does this mean?
No, man. Purple and green are the colors of love.
Are you the Green Goblin?
No.
How are those the colors of love? Where does green fit into the equation? Hey, I'm trying to help you. You can't read that to her, dude. Do you like this girl?
It was so true. It really happened.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Actually, it actually inspired me to write something, and I want to share that with you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Jack, this is beautiful. I can tell you're not like other guys.
I fucking knew it.
Knew what?
My roommate thought you'd think it was stupid that I wrote something like that, and
You showed it to someone else?
well, he took a poetry class in college, and
Are you fucking serious?
I know. God damn it. Goldfish, best dish, and I won't treat you like a bish. She fine, she bad, she make me want to be a dad.